Sunday, 12/16, 33 seconds, year 2022, 6-month, June 26th day. And I ate nothing yesterday, but at the end of the day, 3 hard-boiled eggs, pasture-raised eggs, pasture-raised. They weren't cage-free, because cage just means all fucking sardine canned in a barn that eat GMO corn, GMO grain, GMO other shit, and all kinds of other. So they ain't no different being in a fucking cage. They're just in a big fucking barn cage, all jam-packed together. Anyway, here's what the shit looks like. Oh, I had a couple raspberries and a fig. Raw fig, too. Fresh fig, not the fucking pasteurized or fucking whatever, fuck. Look at that. Look at that shit. Look at that. Woo! See it flash. And I ate that at about 10 o'clock at night last night. 10 o'clock at night. And here it's 12 o'clock in the afternoon. And now, I saw a video on this dude, this vegan dude, healthy food guy, whatever the fuck, black guy, biggest motherfucker you've ever seen. Fucking weightlifting motherfucker. Eats nothing but one fucking meal a day and fucking no meat. Basically, fruits and vegetables, nuts or whatever the fuck, beans. And he eats it, but the point is, he eats late at night, one meal, that's it. Because he needs energy to fuck his girl. Him and his girl, they're both on the video. So they can get some good fucking energy going on. And then eat nothing during the day. Anyway, things to consider. You can't see the weenie. Oh! Did you see a little weenie down there? You might have saw some